Welcome to our vocabulary lesson designed to make English more accessible and engaging for all learners. Today, we're discussing a concept that relates to beliefs and knowledge: agnostic. Agnostic refers to a person who believes that nothing is known or can be known of the existence or nature of God or any ultimate reality. It's a stance of skepticism regarding the knowledge of anything beyond the material, observable world. Let's examine agnostic through some simple examples. In personal belief systems, as an agnostic, she questions the existence of a higher power. This means she is open to questioning and does not commit to the existence or non-existence of God. Regarding identity, he identifies as agnostic, neither affirming nor denying the existence of God. Here, agnostic describes his position of not taking a definitive stance on the existence of God. In literature, the book explores agnostic views on spirituality. This suggests the book discusses perspectives that question or are skeptical about spiritual beliefs. And in the pursuit of knowledge, agnostic individuals often seek answers through science. This indicates that people with agnostic views might look to scientific explanations for understanding the world around them. Understanding agnostic helps us appreciate the diverse perspectives individuals may hold about the existence of a higher power and the nature of reality. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by subscribing. Like, share, and subscribe to help us continue providing valuable lessons. Thank you for watching, and let's keep expanding our vocabulary together.